Today, I'm going to teach you how to collect anonymous responses in Microsoft Forms. This is incredibly useful when you want to gather honest feedback from participants without collecting their personal information, making it perfect for surveys, feedback forms, or confidential assessments. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Microsoft Forms dashboard. Here, look for the option labeled My Forms and click on it. This will display all the forms you've created. From this list, select the specific form for which you want to view anonymous responses. Clicking on it will open up that form's management page. Now, in the top toolbar of your form, you'll see several options for managing and viewing your form. Click on View Responses. This button is your gateway to seeing all the data that's been collected from your form. It's where you can analyze and review everything your respondents have submitted. After clicking View Responses, you'll be presented with different ways to view your collected data. For this purpose, click on Individual Results. This view allows you to see each response separately, which is particularly helpful when you're dealing with anonymous submissions and want to review them one by one. Once you're in the Individual Results section, you'll be able to see the anonymous responses that have been submitted to your form. Microsoft Forms automatically keeps these responses anonymous when that setting is enabled, protecting the identity of your respondents. To navigate through all the anonymous responses, you can use the greater than symbol, which appears as an arrow button. This lets you move through each submission sequentially. Alternatively, if you want to jump to a specific anonymous response, click on Anonymous at the top of the response viewer. This will open a drop-down menu showing you all the anonymous responses numbered sequentially. You can then select any specific anonymous response number from this drop-down menu to view that particular submission directly. And there you have it. You can now easily access and review all the anonymous responses collected through your Microsoft form, whether you prefer to go through them one by one or jump to specific responses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.